Can Masker.
Oh, yeah.
Tucson, Arizona. This guy's nuts.
Bro, you gotta click it once, bro.
Oh.
Hey, motherfucker, dogs are barking out here again, motherfucker!
Oh, shit. Maybe that's why they're barking.
Hold on.
Leave your dog to yourself,
The
motherfucker!
homeowner doesn't even have any dogs.
Oh.
This guy's nuts.
In El Rio neighborhood.
You heard me? What? Try your goddamn dog! What? You almost bit me!
What the fuck? That was
Tucson,
definitely on
Arizona.
something, bro.
What can I help you with?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, I'm sorry to bother you this early in the morning. I'm really sick, and I've thrown up and I've crapped all over myself, and I was wondering if I could borrow